In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to correct multiple transactions on Xero, 5 minutes. If you've spotted a batch of transactions coded to the wrong account or tax rate, Xero's Find and Recode tool lets you fix them in one go. Here's how to do it cleanly and confidently. First, head to the Xero login page and sign in with your usual credentials. Once you're in, you'll land on the dashboard. From here, open the accounting menu and choose Find and Recode. This is the workspace where you can search for the exact transactions you want to update and apply changes in bulk. Note that you may need the right permissions to access this feature, and it's best practice to double check with your accountant if you're unsure about the impact on reports or taxes. Start by adding a condition. Conditions act like filters to narrow down your list. You can filter by things like the current account code, tax rate, contact date range, or even text in the description. Set the conditions that match the transactions you intend to correct. For example, everything coded to an incorrect expense account in the last month. When your filters are set, click Search. You'll see a list of matching transactions. Take a moment to scan the results. Check the columns for date, reference, contact, accounts, and tax to make sure they look right. If the list is too broad, refine your conditions and search again. When you're satisfied, select the transactions you want to update. You can tick individual items or select all if they're all appropriate for the same change. Next, click Recode. This opens the Recode panel where you choose what to change. Common updates include switching the account code, adjusting the tax rate, or updating tracking categories so your reporting stays accurate. Make only the changes you need. You don't have to fill every field. If you're recoding a large number, it's wise to keep the change simple and consistent. Click Review to see a concise summary of what's about to change, including how many transactions are affected and the before and after values. Use this screen to catch any mistakes, especially with accounts and tax rates, which feed into your financial statements and returns. When everything looks correct, click Confirm. Xero will apply the changes to all selected transactions, and you'll see a confirmation. Your recode is logged in the transaction history, so there's a clear audit trail of what was updated. And that's it. Bulk corrections done in minutes with accuracy and control.